1. Enable Steam input or disable if already on. 1. Open Steam Library, right-click Battlefield 6, Properties. 2. Go to Controller Override for Battlefield 6. Set to enable Steam input if it's off. If already enabled, try disable Steam input. Some games conflict with Steam's input API. 3. Relaunch the game. 2. Check Windows Gamepad detection. 1. Press Win-R, type joy.cpl, enter. See if your controller is listed and responsive. If not detected, reconnect. Try another USB port. Use USB 2.0 if available. For wireless, repair your Bluetooth/Xbox adapter. 3. Update controller drivers. Xbox controller plug-in. Windows should auto-update via Windows Update. DualShock DualSense, PS4, PS5. Install DS4 Windows for Xinput emulation, map buttons. Generic controllers, use X360CE to emulate Xbox input. 4. Disable other input devices. Unplug steering wheels, HODAS, extra controllers, or virtual input drivers, VJoy, HID-compliant devices that may interfere. 5. Set correct controller layout in-game. In Battlefield 6 settings, controls, ensure input method is set to controller or gamepad. Check keybinds to ensure they're mapped correctly. 6. Run game and platform as administrator. Right-click steam.exe, run as administrator, launch the game. Sometimes permission issues block HID input. 7. Update game and repair files. Steam properties, installed files, verify integrity. EA app, manage, repair. 8. Reinstall controller firmware, Xbox only. On PC, install Xbox accessories app, connect controller, update firmware. 9. Test with Steam Big Picture mode. Open Steam in Big Picture, Settings, Controller, enable the specific controller support, Xbox, PlayStation, or generic. Launch Battlefield 6 from Big Picture to test.